So then, with a 2014 Corsa 1.4 XCP engine with a broken timing chain guide at the top, which has caused a slack on the chain. It's all timed up, got a crank pin in the lower, got a backing bar at the top. So gonna get into it, guys. So we're at this point. Next step, get the rest of this engine mount off, get the auxiliary belt off, and get the timing chain casing off. Let's get involved. Brave this English weather on a Saturday morning. Timing chain car there, all oily and minging. Most of this chain guide here is totally missing. So if we go for a little scuba diving dip, we might be able to get some. There's a tiny bit there. I think for this down, clean it out properly, get all of the remaining chain guide out. But in the meantime, let's get this chain fitted. All back together, working sweet as a nut. No rattles, all good. Woo!